This is me, Anis.
And this is me, Mabel, and there again for another vlog. So, may mag-unboxing kami ng blind bag.
Blind bag.
Let's unboxing this, guys. Pili. Choose one.
Jacken. Almorain mo.
Okay na tayo, guys.
Sorry.
Wait,
Sure.
sandali lang kasi diin ka jabutang.
Ano sa imo? Mabrain ka? Ha? Okay. Diyan mo lang galing. So, let's unboxing.
Kita nyo, guys, may blind box na ngalan ng blind box.
Akan din.
Sabi ko na, globster nga, globster.
Ala, starfish yung akin.
Sabi ko na, globster, guys,
Gaya ano batang.
Globster.
Akin, starfish.
Globster, guys. And, marami pa dito kasi. Ito akin, napili ko.
Ito pa akin.
Blind box opening. Let's open this, guys. Diba, binigay ito sa atin ng fans natin.
Yeah, of course. Turtle akin.
Horse. This is horse, guys. I have a horse now.
Hindi yan horse.
Ano yun?
Ang seahorse.
Seahorse pala. Akala ko horse. Seahorse pala, guys. To see in the beach. Oh, to see in the beach. So, I got two now, guys. We got two now.
Akin na. Ang mura.
So, another.
Ito yung akin.
Oh, kikita nyo, guys, yung may pangalan talaga siya ng blind box, right?
Ako din, no?
Yan, may pangalan siya ng blind box. So, let's open now.
Ay! Grab yung akin!
This is, what is this? Bird.
Duck.
Paano yan? Mag-duck, B? Wala siyang, B? That's bird, B. May pakpak.
Grab yung akin.
Bird. So, this is 3 now.
Well,
So,
tendra yan. Mukha dakan. Ito yung akin, no? Di ba may pangalan na blind box? Di ba?
Sandali lang, please. 8.
Oh,
I got shell.
I got
What is
sheep.
this?
Sheep. Ang ano yung
Shell.
akin, yung baruto akin. Baruto.
Let's go, guys!
Baruto yung akin.
Oh, dalawa na lang siya, guys. This is mine.
This is mine.
Okay, let's unbox it! Nakikita ko na siya, guys.